Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Just a quick video now just to show you we've just fitted another Starline E96 on this really lovely Honda S2000 in analogue form. So the customer now uses this existing remote control. So obviously when he leaves the vehicle, what he does is hit the Starline tag, gets one bleep, one flash, system is on. When he comes back, hits it again, two honks, two flashes. If he leaves the door slightly ajar, he will actually get a door ajar warning. So I'm going to open the door and show you that. So the door is now ajar. When he arms it now, it's giving you door ajar warning. So I'm going to close the door and I'm going to arm it. So I'm going to arm it now. Wait for it to set. Now on this particular vehicle we fitted tilt, motion and shock. Customer had his catalytic converter stolen, didn't want it to happen again. So I'm basically just going to show you, obviously when I open the door you're going to hear it go mad. Okay, so I'm going to wait for it to set and I'm just going to open the door so you can hear what it sounds like. It's really loud. We've actually put the siren inside and we've actually fired the horn outside. On this particular vehicle the factory fitted system has actually got the siren on the inside for some bizarre reason, don't understand why. But we're going to let it trigger now. So let's close the door now. So basically what we've done, we've actually applied a full, first of all we've opened the door and you heard it sound, and then I stopped it, just not completely disarm it, just stopped it, and then I closed the door and then you heard it trigger again. So that was the impact sensor. So it's very loud. So there you go, one bleep, one flash on, two bleeps, flash off. It's basically analogue form. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye bye.